Infigo Sync is a Windows-based service which polls your Infigo platform and downloads any print-ready jobs to hot folders. It's a two-way service that identifies files that have successfully reached their destination on your internal network and automatically updates the status of the order in shared print operations. Infigo Sync can also upload files to within the Infigo system itself. So the first thing we need to do is to actually download Infigo Sync. The easiest way to do this is go to the relevant Help Center topic, so setting up and installing Infigo Sync. And then from there, we have the ability to download Infigo Sync. Now, depending on when you're watching this tutorial, it may say Catfish Sync as the download file. That's absolutely fine. That's just the old name for Infigo prior to the rebrand. So I'm just going to click on download. So we'll go through here, we'll accept the terms and conditions. And then the first time we need to actually input something is this page here, where it's asking for an API token and a website URL. So in order to obtain an API token, simply contact our customer support team and they will produce one for you. When you are requesting a token, please confirm whether you would like it to be created on the platform level or confirm which storefront specifically you'd like it to be created on. So I'm just going to paste that token into there, which has been generated for us. And next we're looking at the website URL. You click on the little hint icon, it's telling you the actual format it requires for that website URL. And do make sure that you utilize HTTP only, not HTTPS in this case. Now we do have an advanced mode on here as well, which does allow you to install some additional functionality that won't be covered in this specific tutorial, but allows you to do things such as local sync, batch CSV upload, and general upload functionality. Next, we need to complete the Infigo Sync configuration settings. First of all, we need to select the print location. So this will draw in a list from the sites that you specified in the previous step. This will be a list of print locations. Again, print locations are not something that's covered in this tutorial, but there is a separate tutorial available on hot folders and print locations. You then need to specify the download location. So from here, we can use the browse button to select a location on your local machine to determine where all of the PDF files will be placed. Then we also have the sync interval in seconds. So this setting determines how often the sync will actually run. The recommended and default is 30 seconds, which means that every 30 seconds, Infigo Sync will run its tasks. In this case, it will check the hot folders for output PDF files. Then we just need to select the installer location. Once that's fully installed, click Finish. And next we need to navigate to the Services area on our computer. Now, I'm doing this on a PC. It may be slightly different on a Mac, for example. But I'm just going to navigate to Services. And then within that services list, I'd be able to find an entry called Catfish Sync, which by default is not running. So if you select the Catfish Sync entry, maybe Infigo Sync if you can't find Catfish Sync, depending on if we've updated the installer by that point. And then click on Start the Service. And that's it. The service is now running. And we can go ahead and configure our hot folders, our print locations, and anything else that we want to use Infigo Sync for.